We're gonna look that up. We're gonna look that up here real shortly. All right, so what the hell did I do with the ignition? Did you guys see me put the ignition down anywhere? Oh man. I had to have put it somewhere. All right, come hunt with me. Well, what in the world? Why does this always happen to me? What the heck did I do with it? There's carburetors, there's all this stuff. There's all this stuff. What in the world? You know. And I can't. My cat literally just found it for me. Oh my God, look at this. He was playing with something on the table. Hey, don't bite that though. But I was like, don't fight with that. And that's that darn ignition switch. Murphy, you are the hero of the day. You're the hero. You're the hero of the day. He found the ignition switch. You're really smart. You knew I was. He knew that I was looking for this ignition. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. That was freaking amazing. That was amazing. That was freaking cool, man.